Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be doing a live withdrawal on this particular platform over here. So guys, without much further ado, without wasting your time, kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates. So guys, over here I will show you how you basically deposit on this platform and also withdraw from this platform. So guys, without much further ado, let me withdraw my profit right away. So I will click on the my option over here, then I'll click on this withdraw option over here. So we click on the withdraw option. For us to withdraw, we need to type in the quota or the withdrawable amount, which is 1.5 over here. We copy this, we copy it, go back to this platform, then we paste our amount that we want to withdraw, then we type in our password. So we click on withdraw now, and it says withdrawal successful. Withdrawal successful, guys. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal, let me show you how you basically need to do on this platform so that you could be able to earn. So first of all, let me log out my account so that I'll show you guys how to register account. So first of all, if you want to register a new account, kindly join my Telegram, and also you can sign up through my referral link in the description box below. So kindly after clicking on my referral link in the description box, kindly click on the I want to register button over here. You click on it over here, you type in your email, your password, you confirm the password and your payment password, then invitation code. So remember to use my referral link so that you could be able to get an invitation code. I'm already having an account, so all I need to do is to click back over here, then I'll click on the login option over here. So it says login successful over here. So guys, when you log in over here, you could see that there are some basic plans over here that you can actually purchase so that you can be making a lot of money with this platform. And also remember guys, whenever you sign up with my referral link, you are going to get $90 free bonus over there. So all you need to do is to top up with only $10, and you'll be making massive profit each and every day, which is $1.50 each and every day, $1.50 each and every day. So guys, we click on this invest option over here, you could see that we have the per zero or the VIP one, which is $90, which gives you nothing, and we have the pet one over here, which is $100 over here. So they've given you a bonus also, guys. Boom, my 1.50 USDT has been successfully deposited into my account. So over here guys, you can deposit $10 in addition to the 90 to make 100, so that I could be able to withdraw 1.50 each and every day. And with the pet 2 over here, you are supposed to deposit 50 in addition to your 90 to make 140, so I could be able to withdraw $7.50 over here. And with the pet 3 also, you need to deposit 207, which they've already given you 90, and you'll be making a total of $18 each and every day, guys. So you all need to jump onto this platform over here. As you can see, I made a withdrawal over here. Let me click on this withdrawal. Let me check. So guys, you could see that I withdrew a total of 1.50 over here. So guys, let me confirm from my Binance account over here. So this is my Binance account over here. Okay, so before it was 121, let me refresh quickly, and you could see that it is 123.99 over here. So guys, let me check my spot wallet over here to confirm everything. So in my spot wallet, you could see that I have a total of 63.0115. Okay, so our 1.5 is here. You could see 1.5, you could see 50, 1.5 over here. So all these $1.5 came from this particular platform over here, guys. As you can see, as you can confirm everything over here, I'm earning $1.50 each and every day on this platform, guys. So don't hesitate to sign up a new account and also make money from this platform. Once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. Let me show you how you basically need to do so that you could be able to recharge. So for you to recharge, if you have a crypto wallet, okay, all you need to do again is to click on the my option over here, then you click on the recharge button over here, You copy this Tita TRC20 wallet address, then you go back to your crypto wallet, then you make a deposit right away. So guys, thank you for joining Crypto Denzel TV on this particular edition. Once again, thank you. Bye.